Of course, if we input a set of properties we have, say we enter this as 12, and I want the far cover to be 50. I want the near value, side value, and end value to be 50. And I simply want the number to be 7, and that's it. I just want overlap distance value to always be 1 meter. Of course, if I click OK, and I start placing my rebars like this, I'll find that the numbers I requested or entered are actually being achieved. And I'll see that all these numbers here, the number is 7. If I check my covers, I'll find them in the 50s, the near, the far, and side, and the end is 0, because this isn't the last rebar. But if we look at the last rebar here, we'll find that the end is the one that has 50 and start is 0, because you want the rebars not to be stacked on top of each other. So the important thing is, if you open continuous configuration again, we'll find that the form has reset all the data inside it. So every time you have to enter these numbers again, if these are the numbers you're used to at the project you're working on uses them, then in that case, you can enter these numbers just once, like 50 now, for example, and say this is also 50, and this one is 52. And we'll also put 7 here in the number field, and let's make distance 1000, and I'll set this one to 10 so the distances are accurate. And let's say this one is 1000, for example. Okay, no problem. If we say set as default, it will let me proceed like this. Let's say, for example, you go like this. We stop here. We go up to our required height. It generated the covers for me. Make start cover, side cover, and near cover happen for me. And it generated top cover for me. And here it gave me the overlap value. Now, let's continue with the next rebar. Here we go. It immediately set my cover value and overlap, brought it back, and started the next rebar for me. And so on until I finish like this. He told me to lower the next rebar. It said no more rebars. It closed, placed the last rebar, set the cover fulfilling the condition of my rebar. And of course, if we look at the distances or check our properties, we'll find that they're actually 50s, the side, the near, and the top are all 50 as well. Now, if we want to check the overlap value to make sure our overlap is correct. So if we take this rebar, for example, and move it up a bit, then look at the dimension or the line that runs from here to here to here, this line right here. This is the value of our overlap. So here it is, at 1000. So this is indeed the overlap value that we were working with. Therefore, all these rebars are overlapping each other with an overlap of 1000